at Fenway Park with his swing. Served into left field. It's a base hit. Vernon Wells scores. Nix goes to second. An RBI single for Suzuki, and it's 2-0 Yankees. Oh, Ichiro tells me, I got your butt right here, and he's going to hit a bullet to left field with good plate coverage. It's a good pitch from Lester, but Ichiro's legendary for that plate coverage. You just don't think he's going to reach it, and he does.